We'll guide you through how to fix audio issues in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're in the Edit workspace by selecting it from the bottom of the screen. Next, locate the audio track you're having trouble with in the timeline. Click on it to select it. Now, head over to the Fairlight tab at the bottom to access audio tools specifically designed for fixing sound issues. Once you're in Fairlight, find the audio mixer panel on the right side. Here, you can adjust various settings like volume, pan, or EQ to enhance or balance your audio. If your audio is too quiet or too loud, you can adjust the gain level by sliding the fader up or down. To deal with noise or unwanted background sounds, click on the effects library on the left, scroll to Audio FX and drag the noise reduction effect to the track. This will open a panel where you can fine-tune the settings to reduce noise. If your audio sounds off or distorted, consider using the equalizer feature. Click on the EQ button in the mixer to open the equalizer and adjust the frequencies to improve clarity. Remember to play back your changes in real time to see how they affect the audio. If syncing issues exist, return to the Edit tab, right-click the audio clip, and choose Auto Sync Audio to match it with the video. Also, ensure your audio device settings are correct by going to DaVinci Resolve at the top, selecting Preferences, then System, and checking Video and Audio I/O, where you can set the correct output device. Once satisfied with your changes, don't forget to save your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.